Now we will see one more thing is about operators. As we know, we have learned about the single variables, the combination of variables with list, tuple, dictionaries, and now we will talk about operators. Operators are the first. When you think about operators, it is like an arithmetic operator, like addition, multiplication, exponential. So these are the ones that you can see here quickly. 1 plus. These are simple additions. You can do a simple addition. It's very intuitive. It's very straightforward. You can do multiplication, exponential. This is division, division. One is this modulus. This is also called as mod. Basically, when you divide 20 by 6, what is the remainder that comes? So that we will see that. So these are very simple ones. This is 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2, exponential, the power 2. This is division. This is also division. And here, see, now suppose this is 3 to the power 3. But now if you want to return a whole number and see what is the remainder, you will use modulus. So 2 divided by 6, 18, and the 2 is the extra. Now with string, we saw earlier on, we can do plus. We can add 2 strings, but we cannot add a string and a integer, right? It will give an error. And also what you can do, you can multiply a string, like in this case, string 1, you can multiply the occurrence of the string by the number of times you are putting it. Now comparison operator we saw earlier, right? True is equal to true. When we do is double equal to, it is going to check whether it is same. You can use greater than, less than sign to also see whether a particular output is true or not. And that is a very good thing. Logical operator is basically and or not. Like suppose if it is true and true, then we have true. If it is true and false, if it is and, basically both the conditions have to met. And so if it is true and false, so it will show as, if it is an and, it is going to show as a false. So it is going to basically see whether both the conditions are meeting. So if it is a true and true, it is going to show true. Here it is true or false. So in or means one condition to satisfy. So if it is satisfying true, it will show as true. False or false is it is false because it is one condition is going to satisfy and both are false. Not true is false and not false is true. Now in membership, basically the in operator, right? The membership operator, the in, checking whether in, not in, and all those things. So what is 1 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? So it is going to check whether that particular variable is in that list. So here it is going to give true, and not in also is going to check whether it is that. And now cat in, not in my, basically it is, cat is actually there in my pet cat, so it is going to give false. Suppose you put dog here, it will give true. So these are the basic does that are there. Now we will just see the control flow. So now we understood the variables that are there, the